Top 10 AI-based graduation programs for students. Hey everyone, are you passionate about artificial intelligence and looking to take your skills to the next level? Whether you're a high school senior, a college student, or a working professional, pursuing a graduation program in AI can open doors to incredible opportunities. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 AI-based graduation programs in the USA. Let's get started. 1. Stanford University MS in Artificial Intelligence. First on our list is Stanford University's MS in Artificial Intelligence. Known for its cutting-edge research and strong industry connections, Stanford offers a comprehensive program that covers machine learning, robotics, and natural language processing. It's a dream program for aspiring AI experts. 2. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, MS in Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, AI Focus. MIT's EECS program with an AI focus is world-renowned. With access to state-of-the-art labs and leading faculty, you'll dive deep into AI, machine learning, and data science. It's perfect for those who want to push the boundaries of technology. 3. Carnegie Mellon University MS in Artificial Intelligence and Innovation. Carnegie Mellon's MS in AI and Innovation is a unique program that combines technical skills with entrepreneurship. You'll work on real-world AI challenges and even have the chance to launch your own startup. Innovation meets AI here. 4. University of California, Berkeley Master of Engineering, Meng, in AI and Machine Learning. UC Berkeley's Meng program focuses on AI and machine learning, offering a blend of technical coursework and leadership training. With Silicon Valley right next door, you'll have unparalleled access to tech giants and startups. 5. California Institute of Technology, Caltech, MS in Machine Learning and Neural Systems. Caltech's program is perfect for those interested in the intersection of AI and neuroscience. You'll explore advanced topics like neural networks and brain-inspired computing, all while working with some of the brightest minds in the field. 6. Harvard University MS in Data Science, AI track. Harvard's MS in Data Science offers an AI track that combines rigorous coursework with practical applications. You'll learn how to apply AI to solve complex problems in industries like healthcare, finance, and more. 7. University of Washington MS in Computer Science and Engineering, AI specialization. The University of Washington's AI specialization is highly regarded for its focus on research and collaboration with tech companies like Microsoft and Amazon. It's a great choice for those looking to make an impact in the tech industry. 8. Georgia Institute of Technology MS in Computer Science, Machine Learning specialization. Georgia Tech's online and on-campus MS in Computer Science with a machine learning specialization is both flexible and affordable. You'll gain hands-on experience in AI and machine learning, preparing you for a successful career in tech. 9. University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign MS in Computer Science, AI concentration. UIUC's AI concentration offers a strong foundation in algorithms, machine learning, and computer vision. With access to world-class research facilities, you'll be well-equipped to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. 10. Columbia University MS in Computer Science, Machine Learning track. Last but not least, Columbia University's MS in Computer Science with a machine learning track is ideal for those who want to combine AI expertise with a strong academic foundation. Located in New York City, you'll have access to endless opportunities in tech and finance. And there you have it, the top 10 AI-based graduation programs in the USA. Whether you're drawn to research, entrepreneurship, or industry applications, these programs offer something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on education and career paths in AI. Thanks for watching and good luck on your journey to becoming an AI expert.